as you will see now, we've got all the front end back on, the manifold, that's coupled to the exhaust at the back, all these leads here, that's all coupled up, the oil filter housing, that's back on, new filter in there as well. We put new seals in here as well, that's sorted out too, and also we have the rocker cover off, new seals fitted there and everything, so there shouldn't be any oil leaks whatsoever now. Cleaned all the alternator up at the front, had all that off, same with the compressor here for the air conditioning, we've sorted that out too and put the pipe back on, same with the other pipe at the other side here. So once we put the front end back on now, then we're going to couple all these up, and then you'll see the vehicle's front end coming together, and then shortly, once we've got that on and set up with the lights back in, we'll be changing the bonnet too. This is the old frame that we've taken now, took the radiator off now, and obviously the fan, this is the original fan that was in the vehicle in the first place. Now the other fan that we've got here, different plug on it completely altogether, so we're going to have to take this one out of here now and then put this into the new frame that's on the vehicle, because then everything's compatible with this, and then we can plug everything in shortly. We're going to set the radiator up in a minute. Make sure everything's lined up correctly. Right. So this is the aftermarket front end that's going to be going onto the car, and what we've also done now is got the R56 radiator and intercooler for the air conditioning system fitted to the front here. I've also got all this catch mechanism put in as well. So we're going to be fitting this onto the front of the vehicle shortly. As I say, I had to wait as well for these brackets here. We've got them now, so that's all fully fitted and everything, and the pipes are on the back as well, plus the air-ons etc. are fitted too. So we're going to get this onto the front now, and then we'll go and take a look and see what's going on there. Put them on for a second there so it's not going to fall off, and then we're going to check the alignment of that, see how that fits. Everything's looking right. Got these bolts too that hold this on. Back on as well, there's two screws like this that I've got to go in here in the frame. Quite important, this bit. So you nip these up first. That pulls the frame out, then line with this before fastening these up. also had to source another part as well. I couldn't get one brand new because these I think are obsolete now, so we had a look round on the internet, found one of them, so we've changed that. All this has been changed here now at the back, that's spot on. Put the crash bar back on here, and we're just ready now to put the top piece on. As I said, this particular car is the R56 non-turbo version, and with the bonnet as well, hasn't got the scoop in it. And what we decided to do as well is put a video together showing you guys the dismantling the parts, putting them all back together again, sorting the issues out with the gaskets, that type of thing. So everything's bob on now, so hopefully there'll be no oil leaks. We've transferred the catches from the old panel into here, and this is the R56 turbo version front end that we're putting on the vehicle at the minute. So we've got all this set up now. Now I'm going to put this part on. As you can see, this has got the indentation cut out here, so it comes out a bit further and then flows back round as well, same as the other bonnet section for once it closes. This brings the catches a bit more forward, and then when we change the bonnet it should all lock into place. So I'm going to fit this now, and then we'll see how this looks. Number two, the catches under here, so we've got to put them screws in as well. Very important that we get everything lined up. Going to finish off putting a couple of wires in the back here, and then that's done, and then we'll be fitting the headlight shortly. So making good progress now. We've got the headlights back in, all the slam panel sorted out. We've been really busy in the studio here working on my Project Cooper car that we're going to turn into a John Works Cooper edition. Quite a bit of work going on. So at the minute now I've got all the slam panel fitted, the new radiator pack as well, and air conditioning units here. Also fitted all the front end, painted all the chassis up underneath too, sorted all that out as well, so that's boxed off and out the way with. Also what we've got too is, at the minute we've got what we found out is the crankcase breather hose has got an issue there as well, so now we're going to have to address that. So we'll be taking that off, the full box at the back here, and also the throttle body. So I'll show you how I'm going to do this next job, and then we've got more videos coming, one after the other. So stay tuned till the full project is finished. Anyhow, I'll be back soon with another video. Catch you later.